for today's video, I am going to be eating like ROMEE STRIJD. When I was looking up like
who should I eat like,
this would be a fun little thing to do for the day, and a lot of the people that I think that would be fun to eat like Trisha Paytas. I probably would never do that because I actually don't eat meat and I don't have a lot of dairy either. I'm not vegan, but I like to have dairy products in,
moderation.
So it's a pretty clean diet, obviously, so I'm really excited to eat like her for the day. So for the morning for breakfast, I usually have a coffee and then I'll either have avocado toast, which I know that ROMEE has avocado toast all the time because she's always posting about it, or in her vlog she's always eating avocado toast, which I
love.
But in this specific video that she posted for what she eats in a day, she has a coffee and chia pudding. I have never actually had chia pudding before, so I'm pretty excited to try it. An overnight thing that you do, you put it in a mason jar, 1 cup of almond milk and 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds, and then I put a scoop of protein powder in it and I leave it in the fridge for overnight. Let's just see how that tastes. I mean, she looks pretty good. She's pretty thick, so she is kind of like a pudding consistency.
Obviously.
So ROMEE just adds blueberries and almonds to her chia pudding, so that is what we're gonna do. She also did not specify what she has for coffee, so I'm just gonna make my normal coffee. So I have my coffee, my chia seed pudding right here. I'm actually pretty excited to try this. Okay. This is actually probably something that I can incorporate it into my everyday diet.
I don't really like to say diet because I'm not on a diet. It's just
My lifestyle, I guess.
I never like to restrict myself from anything because if I do, then I will literally indulge in it later, which is not good. I eat pretty good on the daily basis. If I want a sliced pizza, I will have a sliced pizza. I also think that if you're running late or if you have somewhere to be early in the morning and you don't have time to make an actual breakfast, I think this is something that is super easy to just grab and go. It literally took me 2 seconds to make. Yeah, I'm done recording myself eating this. But I'm gonna finish this and I will see you for snack. So it is now currently 11:30. I finished my coffee and my chia pudding. Actually, I didn't finish it all. It was like really chunky at the bottom and like...
She wasn't about that.
ROMEE, for her first snack, she says that she either has like 5 or 6 meals a day. Like meals as in like 3 meals and then like snacks, you know? She had an apple and she was
Pretty thick.
I tried to find the thickest red apple that I could find. I'm just gonna eat an apple now.
I'm not sure if I want to record myself eating a whole ass apple.
I mean, there's nothing to review this about. It's just an apple. Just me and my apple.
Honestly, I haven't had like an apple in such a long time. Like just an apple. Like just an apple. That's kind of weird. Leave your favorite fruit in the comments below. Don't ever take me seriously, please. Actually, yeah, sometimes.
She's so juicy. Oh my god. Wow.
She's pretty thick and juicy. I mean, this is just gonna be 5 minutes of me eating an apple. Alright guys, it is now lunchtime, and for lunch, ROMEE had like this kind of bowl type thing, and it was couscous, pan-seared salmon, beans, avocado, red cabbage, but we are doing a few, number one, I don't have couscous. I went to the store yesterday to buy couscous, and it was like a thing this big for like
$10.
and I was like, I'm not at the point yet where I can just buy whatever the frick I want to for YouTube videos. I will get to that point. So today we are using quinoa. I mean, you can never go wrong with quinoa. Quinoa and couscous, I figured, are kind of the same thing, I guess. I'm not really sure. For the pan-seared salmon, number one, I do not like fish. I don't like salmon. It is just,
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna eat salmon.
I mean, I'll have like sushi sometimes, but not like the raw. So we are going to make pan-seared
Tofu.
which I'm super excited about. I have actually never made tofu myself. This will be quite interesting to see how this is all going to turn out. I cannot believe I made this. Like, he's a chef or whatever. We have our quinoa, green beans, red cabbage, some avocado, and our tofu. I gotta be honest, our tofu kind of looks like
Booty?
it was supposed to be like crispy chunks. It doesn't need like any kind of sauce or anything, because when you have a bite with an avocado, it gives that sort of flavor that is just
Fully there.
the tofu needs a little help, but I think altogether it's really good. This honestly was so easy to make.
Wow, I'm actually kind of impressed with myself. Oh my god.
What the hell? Alright guys, we're back with horrible lighting, and we are ready for our second snack of the day. And for our second snack of the day, we are having an acai bowl. So I drove 20 minutes. That's not really bad. I don't know why I had to say that. But I came to Nectar. So let's go get an acai bowl. I'm back and I have my acai bowl. I kind of got what I thought was closest to what she got, because I honestly forgot. I didn't do my research.
Sorry about it.
This is actually the superfood acai bowl. So on top it has agave, blueberries, granola, banana, strawberries, goji berries, chia seeds, and green apples. I freaking love acai bowls. It is so hot outside, and it's like, I don't know, a million degrees probably. This is just so like refreshing. But to have this as a snack. Honestly, so I'm gonna try and finish this. I will see you for dinner. Ew, I hate the way I said that.
I will be back for dinner.
Alright, you guys, last meal of the day. We have edamame and some sushi rolls. This is the crunch roll, the California crunch roll. Okay, I just wanted to give this a review. This was probably the easiest like diet or like daily routine of a different person that I could have tried to follow. It was for sure the easiest. I would definitely have the chia pudding again in the morning. What I made for lunch was super easy. I think I could definitely make that again, but like maybe for dinner or something, because sometimes for lunch I don't have a lot of time to make lunch, or sometimes, you know, for lunch I just want something that's a little bit more easier and more quick. But overall this was so easy. Maybe for next time I can try and follow someone that's maybe a little bit more difficult. I know it's probably a lot harder for me to try to do because I am a vegetarian, but maybe I can try and follow someone who's not a vegetarian and maybe kind of make it my own and see how I can kind of modify that to like vegetarianize it. Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're still watching this.
I feel like Trisha Paytas.
Just going to finish eating this. I feel like I've had enough of recording myself eating and talking. Maybe I will film more of these. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will be posting a lot more now, so please give me some video ideas in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I look naked.